Good morning, good morning, good morning. Got my cowl neck. Actually, I'm already sweating. Let me change real quick. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Today is March 19th. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gabby. I'm a New York City based life and style content creator. It is currently 9:45. Do we see my cutie little background? Cute. Did I show you this already? I might have. Okay, anyway, it's 9:45, which is much later than I usually am like doing breakfast and everything. I'm usually eating breakfast at like 8ish, but I allowed myself an hour of extra sleep because I just was like, I needed it. Okay, but I got up, did my skincare, dropped off my laundry, went to the grocery store specifically for one thing, but for some reason I picked up a basket, so naturally I got more than one thing. Don't do that. Well, why are we doing that? And I also took my laundry and forgot to put in my favorite, like my new favorite white tea. This is from the brand Plain Jane New York, which I think I mentioned in a vlog. But I love this tea. It's like the perfect, I don't know, it's like the perfect length. Like it's not too long, but it's also not like a baby tea, but it's like, you know, it's a good length. And it's got like the perfect sleeve length. However, their website is like down. If I can't get another version of the cap sleeve, I may crash out. Anyway, went to the grocery store. Specifically, I went for bonbon. And you're seeing this and you're probably like, Gabby, that's insane. You are one person. Why do you need this huge jar? I think it's cheaper by weight to get the big guy than the small guy. And here's the thing. I have previously finished 2 of the small jars, and now I have little mini baby matching water cups that I use, and I feel very chic when I do so. Also like sustainable queen. However, I thought about, do I go for the set of 4 small ones or do I do 2 small ones and 2 big ones eventually? And I was like, well, if this is gonna be cheaper and I get like a bigger glass, this could honestly be for like iced coffee. Genuinely, it's like quite large. But anyway, so I got the big one. I think they recommend that you like don't go over 10 grams of added sugar. I think it might actually be 10 grams total, but definitely 10 grams added sugar. This has 13 grams total sugar, 12 grams added sugar. So it's like the one thing that I allow myself that's like higher than that. And I don't have it every day, but you know, I allow myself little pleasures. I'm going out of town over the weekend, so I didn't need anything real from the grocery store, which is why I was like, why am I getting a basket? I'm gonna fill it with unnecessary stuff. But I do like to have this lesser evil popcorn as like an afternoon snack, and I ran out yesterday, so I picked this up so I could have it for tonight. I wasn't gonna get these, but they were on sale, 2 for $4. You guys know I'm obsessed with these Stillers Shirley Temples. I don't have them every day. I don't even have them every week. I think my new rule for myself for these, if they're not on sale, you're not allowed to buy them. But if you see them on sale, you can get them. Because they're like never on sale. So when I saw the sale sticker, I was like, period. Also, do we see this massive jar? You wanna guess what old product this is? It is Rao's pasta sauce jar before they got acquired by Kraft, I believe. All right, this is our plate. We have a whole wheat English muffin with some strawberry preserves and our egg white egg omelet with spinach and mozzarella. Looks delicious. I'm gonna eat that and then I'm gonna get to work. Yay, happy Thursday. Hello. So originally this was supposed to be a day in my life, but the day got away from me. I have been on my computer all day. I had a call that I think went really well. So we'll see what comes of that. Maybe nothing, maybe something exciting, who knows. Now I'm making dinner. My pasta just finished. I finished this box of Bonza rigatoni. It's pasta made from chickpeas. It's got 20 grams of protein if you're on the protein wave. I have noticed that I only like it if it's like super fresh. In my opinion, it tastes bad if you put it in the fridge and try and eat it the next day. No, you've got to make it fresh. It's got to be freshly boiled. I like to save a little bit of the pasta water. I don't know why I'm showing this. I'm sure you guys have made pasta before. I cooked up a pound of ground beef, so that's like 4 servings, so that's easy. I have it just in this stasher bag, which I'm kind of obsessed with, actually. I think I got it from, ooh, what is that website called? Grove Collaborative actually sent me these. And then I also have been using this, is it Sauce brand? Cracked pepper and Parmesan sauce. I do a half cup of this and 3 ounces of ground beef, and I warm it up in the same pot that I used to cook the pasta. That's what we're doing for dinner. Super easy. Super easy. Okay, we're gonna do a half cup of sauce. We're gonna take our pasta sauce, or pasta water that we saved, throw that in there. And do a little stir. What am I talking about? I feel like I'm moving at 8 miles per hour. Or that's not really that fast though. 80 miles per hour. Anyway, I'm on a real like zero food waste journey. Cooked up enough. So I'm gonna turn that off. Gonna plate it, and then I'm gonna actually we're gonna keep it in there so that it stays warm. I'm gonna clean the rest of these dishes. Kitty. Okay, so I just finished packing for my trip. We've got like all of my usual packing essentials. I really like these Calpac packing cubes. I use them every trip. We've obviously got my T3 curling straightener, which is my hot tool of the moment. I do like collect random like pouches. This one's from Rode, and it's got all of my like hair stuff in it. Then we've got skincare in a Say vanity case. This is a Say brush holder that I use, and then this is my makeup. That's also a Say vanity case. So lots of makeup skincare brands. If you send pouches, low-key, really good PR. Yeah, I got my iPad there. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in my suitcase and then go to sleep, and we're ready for our trip tomorrow. Hello fam, what's up? I am in Bama. EJ is currently driving me. We are going to the Last Call Bakery. And then, wait, are we also getting coffee there? Or
there's like a coffee place.
There's a coffee place next to it. Okay, EJ says that this is like on the same par as like European pastries, which is, that's a bold statement, but I think he stands by it. Also, EJ,
I'm not gonna, you know,
EJ's low-key kind of strict. He runs a strict program, I feel. Like, he doesn't glaze things that don't deserve it. So, we'll see. Hopefully they still have, like, pastries left. Like, good stuff left when we, get there.
Where you going? Went to the market, too.
To the market?
Yeah.
What, like the farmer's market?
Saturday, Sunday.
Well, that's, you know, it's okay. I guess we're stopping to get gas. I'm not used to this because, you know, I don't drive my car. My car? Can I still call it my car? Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, cool. Alright, got my iced latte. EJ, what'd you get?
Got a cortado.
With almond milk though, which I thought was interesting. You don't do whole milk anymore?
Nah.
Tear that stomach up. Then we've got some pastries happening. EJ, tell us what we have.
We got a little, what is that, berry Danish?
Berry Danish.
And then we chocolate croissant, coffee scroll.
Coffee scroll, yeah.
Cinnamon roll, morning bun.
Yep, killed it. That's smash. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm back in New York, and I got invited to an event last minute, so we are headed that way. I'm in Thailand, kind of. Yeah, let's do it. I'm obviously back in New York. I was in Birmingham for a couple of days to see my parents and my brother. Birmingham's really chill. It's also like really like mountainous, or like maybe hilly. We'll be like those were not mountains, but in my mind it was very mountainous. But I'm back in my apartment. I'm about to take off my makeup. I tried the Say bronzer again. I still don't think I like it. I think the shades just aren't quite right. Gonna take my makeup off. We have used quite a bit of the Manyo, is it Manyo? Pure cleansing oil that Hannah brought me from Korea when she went. This stuff is so good for taking off makeup. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Also on the Upper East Side, they just opened up a store. Is it Sukoshi? But I'm meaning to go in there, but I'm kind of like, maybe I shouldn't go in there because I really don't need to spend money on skincare. Like, we've got to use what we have. I'm like really close actually to being done with a lot of different products. I can use this later. It's the Outset cleanser. Put the rest of my hair up in a scrunchy ponytail. Easy peasy. Okay, I get a little bit, I think I've done this on a vlog, but you get a little bit of this and you just rub it anywhere. I made the executive decision not to wear mascara, and I'm really thankful for that now. Clean towels. You do this dry, then you add water to emulsify it, so it's all the oil particles will collect around all of the makeup and dirt and grit and stuff, and it'll like get white and sudsy. Then you take it off. And then that first wash is pretty dang good. Use the CeraVe Acne Control Gel. Love this stuff. Replaced my La Roche-Posay that I was very sad about, but I do like this a lot. And then I also use Le Chouchou from Edam. If you've been watching my channel at all, you know I love this guy. Someone explained this to me, literally in my comments, and I still don't know. I do Instant Angel Liquid Rich Firming Moisturizer, my new fave. They did send me this, and I did pray to my lucky stars because it saved me some dollars, I'm not gonna lie, but I was prepared to go to Sephora. In fact, Sephora sale starts, and it was on my list. I was like, gotta buy my new moisturizer. And then they appeared in my email inbox, and I said, you guys really are angels. Anyway, and that's the skincare for tonight. I need a Zyrtec. All right, just finished the graphic for today's weekly post. I think it turned out really nice. I usually have some type of beauty feature, a movie, some other pictures of things in the newsletter, a link to a playlist or new album. That is what we're working with today. I think it looks good. Okay, very quickly because I'm running very late. Our outfit for the night, it is mint green themed, and this is the closest that I have to that. So we are wearing this Hill House Home short little nap dress. Bag is from Cezanne. Shoes are also from Cezanne, actually. Going for a little preppy moment. Headband is scrunchy? I don't know. Bracelet is from Pico in Copenhagen. Earrings are Anthropology. And that is the look. Cutie, let's go. Hello, good morning. It is Saturday. I'm headed out to go to the movies. I am seeing Ready or Not 2. I'm actually really excited. I really enjoyed the first one. But a quick outfit of the day. I'm doing a really simple outfit today, actually. Top is from Old Navy. Jacket is Cezanne, the iconic Clyde trench. I love this like deep green khaki almost shade. Really pretty. Earrings are from Anthropology. Jeans are Good American. I love these. They're like, I think they're called the baggy jean or something. Sneakers are New Balance. My bag is also from Cezanne. Going barefaced, but I do have my SPF on. Yeah, I might stop and get my eyebrows done. Not sure. But yeah, that's the vibe. Cool, let's rock. I need sunglasses.